Get ready. Yes, sir. I just came first to greet you. Have a seat. Thank you. The truth is, Dam Art Museum is a very remarkable project and Chairman Choi is a very honorable man and ganun ka din naman, katulad ka ng iyong papa. Well, thank you very much. Bring the package over. Hihi. Tingnan mo to. Sige. Mahalaga ang painting na to. Kaya sa akin, kaya lang sa tingin ko mas magandang sa iyo to mapupunta. I'm very sorry. Meron akong kailangang puntahan. Oh, alright, I just leave the painting here. Tatanggapin ko ang painting. Salamat sa generosity ninyo. Alam kong magkalapit kayong magkaibigan ni Papa. Pero kung may bibigyan akong consideration at yun ang may reconstruction bid at gagawin ko yun dahil lang sa personal reasons. Insulto yata yan para sa inyo, Mr. Han. Hindi po ba? You're right. Excuse me. Hindi effective. Anong ginagawa niyo, boss? Nagtatanong ka pa? Sa tingin niyo, hindi ko alam, nahanap niyo si Miss Lazy? Alam mo naman pala nagtatanong ka pa. Ayusin niyo sarili niyo, sir. Di niyo dapat siya iniisip. Nandito ka rin? Kumusta na nga pala ang business ng puppet shop? You better surrender now, cause you always been loser. Ano bang gusto mo ang away, ha? Sige, suntok. May pambayad ka? Tara na, hayaan mo na sila. We will now begin the briefing for the requirements for the Dam Art Museum project. Hello, my name is Vincent Choi. I am the director of the Dam Art Museum. This is an information session on the Dam Art Museum pending extension. I would like to say that this is no ordinary extension project. We are really working in an entirely working approach by creating a premium world. Our dreams is to make new concept as based for Dam Art Museum. Because the Dam Art Museum will be built on 59,000 square meters of land and a total budget of $400,000 US. It would be the space where all the collections of your academy. The academy will have 500 studios offering a space which they can fully dedicate. We like the traditional spirit with the most modern technology to establish a museum founded in Korea. We are inviting architecture firms to submit your creative and passionate ideas. We are expecting. Please submit your application for the participation by 14th, a week after this day. The winner of this competition will acquire the honor of designing the projects. Daisy, kailangan nating mag-usap. Wala akong sasabihin. Ako meron. Saan ka pa natulog kagabi? Kung saan naman ako natulog, wala ka nang may pakialam ako, Lazy. Don't talk to me like that way. Wait, Lazy! Lazy! Hello? Hi. Gusto ko sanang mag-sorry sa nangyari kagabi. What happened last night was... Ano? Magkasama kayo kagabi? Answer me. Where were you with him last night? Dahil sa nangyari, naging mas komportable ka sa akin. Kalimutan mo na yun. If you must know, I'm not that kind of girl anyway. Actually, dahil sa pinakita mo sa akin, I feel like I know you better now. Sama ng ugali mo Anong ginawa mo sa kanya, ha? At bakit kayo magkasama kagabi? Tama na yan. Gusto mo malaman? Kawawa ka naman. Kung ano man ang nangyari, mas gusto namin ni Lazy na kami na lang nakakaalam. Ang yabang mo Ouch! Aray! Hoy, ikaw, mag-propose ka sa Dam Art Museum. Lumaban ka sa bidding nang sa ganun hindi ko manghinayang na durugin ka.